Continuing. Pahiga. Sana tayo. Wala na tayo.
Binili ko sa Divisoria. Siguro nasa 150 or 200. Basta less than 300 pesos lang to. So, pwede mo siya lagyan ng underwears, makeups. So, ayan ang laki, diba? Ito, bago yung Phoenix. Colgate kasi nagpabili yung kapatid ko ng stocks niya. Dito na lang tayo. Ayan yung garden ng mami. Tapos, yung arts museum.
F1, like they're preparing for September. Yeah, you're not making a video. Hindi ka na mamilig sa F1 dito. Formula 1. September dyan.
Ano ba gusto mo gawin sa Friday?
Friday.
Bukas, Marina, walking.
Today, diba? So,
okay, unexplained itinerary. So today, check-in tayo sa Hotel Mirocher. Tapos sa area, nandun na yung electronics building. Nandun na rin yung mga fruit market, fruit stand, grocery, changke, nandun siya. And then all the way straight there, nandun yung Bugis. Green Hills, parang Green Hills. Bugis Street, Bugis Function, may mall din doon. So it's like a 10 to 30 minute walk. Tapos, when you're settled in, we can go to my place para i-check na yung what na yun. Okay. Welcome to Singapore.
First meal in Singapore. Di mo madalawa. Parang sugar cane. Mami, water chestnut to. Barley. Shake cappuccino.
Barley yan, di ba? Ayun na nga eh. Ang tawag mo dyan?
Connect na.
May ano?
Parang kasama cake.
Yeah.
Kanya, oh.
Ano naman? Hindi na kaya.
Akin na, tulungan na. Mami, sapatos mo. Wow. Yan yung laundry.
Okay, so I'm sure. So ito yung ginagamit mo si Kominal.
Buksan mo ilaw.
CR. Anong CR2?
CR2, ibang gumagamit. Talagang wala laman.
This is yung segregation. This is all mine. Hanggang dyan lang. Tapos communal to. Pwede ko magbili.
Ano yun sa baba?
Akin to.
Tapos ano yun doon, sabi mo?
Communal.
Meaning kahit sino?
Nasaan yung tinapay ko para kay...
Pwede naman yung gamitin to, but usually yung mga babae dito. Kasi masyadong mahal yung mga babae.
Ano tong Gina? to?
Trash.
Basurahan. Trash. Yeah.
Hola.
I'll see you later.
Sorry. So I need to check. I need to see the prices.
The first one, the first was fine.
Oh, yeah. So if
What's that?
This one's Singapore.
$12. But that's not, authentic.
It is. This is the kind that Riley bought last time.
Yan.
Yeah, it is the same brand. Yes, I know too.
Oh, sige. Meron na siyang Singapore.
Huh? For real?
Meron na siya.
Huh?
Balik mo na. Morning. This is our view from our balcony. This is Singapore. So, itutour ko na kayo ngayon sa aming maliit na room. Maliit siya pero cute. Pwede na sa amin dalawa ni Adam. So, ito yung sink. So, ito yung door. Pagpasok mo, nandiyan na agad yung sink sa right. Unlike sa parents ko, nasa loob na itong sink nito. Kaya maliit na yung room nila. Dahil parang malaking CR. Mas malaking CR na. So, nasa left side na yung aming CR. So, pag open mo, yan, sobrang liit. As in, ito na yung door ng shower. Sasara mo lang siya pag maliligo. And then, may mga hanger siya dito sa labas. Ito na yung bed namin. Yan na. So, very small lang. Pero, okay na sa amin dalawa. Pero pag one family, hindi na. So, queen size bed siya. So, ito na yung balcony. Pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Sa pagbaba ng hotel, andun na agad yung Bugis. Lalakad lang siguro mga 12 minutes walk. Andun ka na sa Bugis Lake kung saan yung mga tiyangge. And then, may mga hawkers din sa tabi. Nagbebenta ng durian sa gabi, sa hapon. So, ang dami pala kumakain dito ng durian. Kasi nakakaubos sila ng isang buo. Pero malalaki naman yung mga buto. So, yeah. Oh, tapos ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is yung amoy nito. Ang scent niya is ginger and orange and ginger. So, yun yung mga sabon niya. So, may kasama na rin siyang bath soap, gel, and shampoo and conditioner. So, 100% vegan pala siya. So, naalala ko dito yung scent na to is yung nasa Body Shop na shampoo. Yung pang anti-dandruff. Tapos ito, ayun, sobrang bango talaga. Sarap maghugas ng kamay. So, dito sa Singapore, parate tayo. Sinisave namin tong bottle. Nagdala ako ng Sharpie. Kasi nakita ko nga na ang daming refilling station dito sa Singapore. So, dito sa hotel, meron tayong sariling premium filtered drinking water. So, may sarili siyang nozzle. Ito yung panghugas, ito yung pang drinking water. So, refill na tayo para babaunin natin sa paglakad-lakad natin. So, lahat kami hindi namin tinapon ang aming mga water bottles. So, pwede kahit hindi puno kasi mabigat. So, susuotin kasi ito ni Adam sa backpack mo. Paglabas namin ng MTR, hindi na kami kaagad. So, kakain muna kami kasi di pa kami nag-breakfast. Look at the floral fantasy, oh.
This is butter.
Oh, that's it.
Inside here?
That's it. Ay, that's butter, yeah. This is where it came from, Singapore. This kind of breakfast.
So good.
Huh? Okay.
Ikaw, ay, baka lumipad ka, ha?
Nandito na tayo sa Jewel Airport. Ito na lang i-content ko kasi hindi ako masyado nag-vlog. So, mag-early check-in kami dito mismo sa Terminal 1, pero Terminal 2 kami. So, possible naman daw. 7 PM pa yung flight namin, pero ano oras pa ngayon? It's still 11 AM. So, maaga kami para ma-experience namin tong Jewel Airport. Ikaw na yung second, ako muna. What's your flight? 918, no?
Scan passport. Continue with 2 passengers.
You have to take one.
You compile this and then put it behind your boarding pass. You throw that here.
Well, what is
There,
This is yours, Adam.
No, you put it there. That's correct. Pahiga.
one by one? Which one go here? I wanna do this.
Yours is 7.
I'll do this one.
Oh, sige, mabigat yan.
I got it.
Tigwama na lang sa'yo.
I will. Ayun na faster.
Mabigat, hindi ka nalalaki pa.
So, tapos na kami mag-check-in. So, ikaw mismo gagawa. Nagkamali lang kami kanina kasi na-double namin yung mga luggage tag and boarding tax. Kaya nagpa-assist kami. Pero pag hindi, madali lang naman. So, yun. Makaka-shop kayo na. You can shop conveniently pag maaga pa. So, upon entrance, ito makikita nyo from entrance ng Terminal 1. So, nagpahatid kami dito sa Terminal 1. Pero ang terminal namin is 2. Pwede na rin kayo mag-check-in dito. And yun, after check-in is pwede na kayo mag-shopping. So, I think 1 whole day ang kailangan nyo dito. I mean, 1 whole day para ma-explore lahat to kasi madaming magkagawa. Arabica. San Arabica. What floor?
What floor?
You are here. Okay, let's go. So, we are on level 4. Or on toys. We're going to the Pokemon Center for the little boy, the star of the show.
See it.
You see it? Saan? Wala naman na. Saan? Saan? Oh, look at the view. Look at the view. Stand here. Stand there first or else. Wow. Smile. No buying. Looking lang. Ubus na pera mo. Saan ka kukuha? Ha? Wala na. Ubus na money. I don't like stuffed toy, ah. If you buy stuffed toy, cannot. Oh, go na.
I think I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna check.
Wait ka sa turn.
Pokemon Pass after payment, no exchange, no refund. Are you coming with one member?
Hold
No
on.
more money.
Stop.
Going to 5th floor. Ayusin mo naman. Oh. Ma-accident ka niyan.
See that?
Ticketing off. What's that? Ticketing off. There's a big slide over there. Canopy, oh. You wanna go to the canopy?
What's canopy?
The walking. Ito yung canopy ride. Ito yung parang nakahang ka. Ito, ano ba to? Bridge, canopy bridge. Iba pa to. Ito yung maze. Ito pala yung ano. This one. Walking net.
Mirror maze. I like mirror maze.
Walking net.
Walking net?
Oh, dito ka na pa. Walking net na lang tayo. Fun yan.
But this one is mirror maze.
Oh.
It's so fun. You get a bump.
Iba pa yung bouncing net sa walking net.
Sige lang ah. Walang sa baba.
Changi Experience Studio. Bundle deal 1, $39.
Walking net. Anything.
Oh, you look at it first. What do you want?
Bobo na kami dito, baka may juice kami.
So, ito lahat ng gagawin namin. Nabudol yata ako ah.
Brudol.
Dapat ano lang eh, bouncing at saka
You got Brudol.
the mirror maze. Ikaw kasi, gusto mo pa ng mirror maze eh.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Pagod tayo niya.
What's this one?
Mirror maze.
Sorry, Mommy. It's so fun.
So, unahin muna namin yung hedge maze. Mahaba kasi. Ay, nako, si Adam Chu. Oh, hold mo yan. Is this the hedge maze? Okay. Ayan, show the QR code.
Okay, one. The second one. Two. Alright, for H maze, it's only one-time entry only.
Okay.
The entrance, you go straight and turn left, and this will be the exit.
Okay.
And for the tower, maximum 8 people.
8 people.
Yeah, per time.
Okay.
No running inside. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hala, we cannot go back home na. We're gonna be in the maze. You solve, ha? I don't want to think. Madam Chu, ha? I don't wanna get lost. Hala, saan na tayo? Oh, no. Saan na tayo? Wala na tayo. So this is for protection.
So,
You need to... Scary naman ito. Careful ah. Ayan. Hi, Shobe. Ayan. They're gonna take a picture. Let's go. So, pwede kayo pumasok dito once nakuha namin yung package. Mabigat na package. Nabudol tayo. So, we're on our way. Going around in a circle through the Canopy Bridge. Wow, what did you learn in science? Evaporation? Condensation ba? Yeah, condensation. Oh, go din na. Look at that. Your chin tuck in. Put your chin down. Okay. Oh my God! Iwan muna namin yung locker. Kasi bawal. Cellphone pwede. So, dito na kami sa bouncing net. Bouncing talaga tayo. Oo na. Nakakahilo. Wala na akong battery. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Careful your legs, Anya. Alternating first. bouncing era. Para ka na sa space, talon-talon. Tapos, workout. Sana. Where's our bag? Our bag, it's walking na, walking net. After this is walking net na.
Do we have?
Let's do it.
Wait, mommy.
My God, wow, how steep. Okay. So, ito hindi na masyadong bouncy. Oh my gosh, madulas. 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 Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wow, so
Look at the mall.
go check.
Go there, go there. Go there, look up. Oh my gosh.
Go, go, go.
Nanginginig ako. Oh my God, nanginginig ako. Oh my gosh.
Let's see the view from here. What if it falls down?
Walk ka na dun. O, diba? Oh my gosh. Nanginginig yung kamay ko, parang nanginginig yung kamay ko, parang yung phone ko mahuhulog. Ah, oh my gosh. 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 From the exit, ito yung makikita niya from the outside. Ito yung view. Since nandun kami sa loob, yun yung makikita yan. Ito yung bouncing. Ayan. Ito yung walking. Okay. So paglabas nyo ng bouncing, walking na agad mapupuntahan nyo. Ayan. So for me, okay na rin ang pag sa walking, makikita nyo nakalitaw kayo dito sa mall. Pag sa bouncing, puro bouncing, may mga slides. Pero kayo, anong gusto nyo? Ito mas maganda yung mas nakakatakot. Ito, mas nag-enjoy lang yung bata kasi talon lang talon. So, depende sa inyo kung ano yung prefer nyo. So, ito kanina yung exit ng walking. Ito yung last step, last activity ng airport. So, ngayon, nasa kabilang exit na kami. Hanapin na namin sila. Saka, mag-iikot na. Gutom na siya. Somebody's taking a picture. Ayan, Guakong's there. Daddy! Call Guakong. Basta. View here is better than down there. Ito yung ilalim ng kanina. Sinasupport girl ako. So, heading to Link Bridge to Terminal 2. So, time check, 2:45. Tried Anderson's coffee. Ay, coffee. Ice cream. Anderson's ice cream. Masarap, ayan. Patry nga. Same. Same. Terminal 2 na kami. Dito na tayo sa Changi Mall. Merong Chaos Lab. So, sa entrance pala ng Terminal 2 from Jewel, may makikita na kayong Chaos Lab. No more, enough of playing. Mami, CR ka ba? So, dito na tayo. Ito yung makikita nyo upon entering. So, tapos na tayo sa check-in. We're done with check-in. We're just gonna go to the immigration. Tapos na kami mag-check-in. So, immigration next. Self-service tayo dyan. Galing. So, nakapasok na tayo from that area. And we're here at the shopping area. Ngayon, pupunta na tayo sa GST refund para balik pa natin mga taxes natin. Just follow the signs. So, first, gagawin nyo, pupunta kayo sa machine na yan. Scan yung passport nyo. And then, ma-approve. And then, pupunta kayo dito. So, papunta dito, follow nyo lang yung sign na GST cash refund. I'll go. I love you. We are fun. Always together. Everywhere.
I'll be with you.
Everything. Yan, kasi.